The Google Display Network serves over 2 trillion monthly ad impressions to over 2 billion internet users across millions of websites, making it a viable method to help build brand awareness and many more benefits. Let's dive straight into how to set up display ads for your business. Once you're in your Google Ads account, navigate to Campaigns and click Create a Campaign. From here, you'll be asked to choose a goal that best suits the aim you're trying to achieve with the campaign. The next step is choosing a campaign type. Here, you'll select the display option. Targeting. Do you have a target geographical location in mind? If you do, that's great. The Location tab will allow you to target anywhere, broad or narrow. Bidding strategy and budget. Google offers a range of smart bidding strategies that leverage machine learning to tailor each bid to every auction. Alternatively, you can also start your campaign with a manual bidding strategy. As for your budget, taking the amount you're willing to spend throughout the month and dividing it by 30 will give you your daily budget. Audience targeting and demographics. Here you can narrow down and choose the demographic you want your ads to trigger for. This can be done by filtering people based on age, gender, parental status, or household income. Content targeting. Choose where you want your ads to trigger by including and excluding certain websites. Another cool feature you can take advantage of is the ability to incorporate certain topics to ensure your ads are triggered by the topics of your choice. Targeting expansion. If you have a large budget, consider targeting expansion, as this will allow Google to seek out additional customers similar to your target audiences. Lastly, get creative. It's time to create your PPC display ads for your campaign. Try using responsive display ads too, as these ads adjust in size automatically to fit different ad placements across the web. If running display ads isn't for you, don't worry. Our team of specialists take a great time and care to perfect them for you. Click the link to my LinkedIn in the description and pop me a message to see how we can help you get noticed.